Assalamu alaikum, and now it's time to learn a new letter, which is letter P. P. What's the sound of letter P? Is P. 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 Pen. P. P. Pen. P. P. Penguin. P. P. Penguin. P. Pencil. P. Pencil. Pen. Penguin. Pencil. Now it's time to trace and write letter B. Let's write letter B. This is the capital letter of letter B, and this is the small letter of letter B. Let's start with the capital one. يلا. Down, 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 down. And half a circle. Excellent. As we make a circle. كأننا بنعمل circle بالظبط. Down, down, down. And semicircle or half a circle. Down, down, down. Half a circle. Half a circle. This is the small letter. Let's start. Down, down, down. Half a circle. Excellent, excellent. Good boys and good girls. Let's write one here. Down, 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 and semicircle. Down, 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 and semicircle. Down, 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 semicircle or half a circle. يا رب أكون أفدتكم، وإن شاء الله لينا ساوند جديد لغاية ما نخلص كل الساوندز. أشوفكم بخير. السلام عليكم.